36 things that happened in the Tiffin, Seneca County area in the housing market. Give me just a minute and I will tell you exactly what that is. Real quick, wanted to say a real big thank you to everybody that helped sponsor, benefit, support our Children's Miracle Network event we had last Thursday. We raised just over $10,000 going to the Children's Miracle Network. So great success. We really appreciate all our sponsors, all our donors. We had a good time as a virtual event. Hoping to get back to live next year, but great success. So thank you everybody for that. All right, back into the numbers. Tiffin, Seneca County, what happened? We are live, so if you have any questions, let me know. 36 things happened then. So let me show you. We're looking at the FireLens MLS. That will give us the data here for the local market for the most part. So we've got properties for sale. What if you see a sign in the yard, meaning that it is technically for sale? What happens though? We do get an accepted offer on it. It means a buyer and seller come to terms. We're under contract. They've got a contract contingent thing, meaning it could be marked contingent, pending, anything along that line. So you'll see that. So what's for sale? We've got 28 active properties for sale in the Tiffin, Seneca County area. Of that, only 7 are currently available to where you could go show where they don't have an accepted offer. What does that look like? That's 25% of the listings on the market. So from this week, we're looking back from the 23rd all the way back to the 15th. If we go back a couple weeks prior to that, there's 7 active. The week before there was 5, the week before that 5, and then 5 all the way back to the 1st. So that's what the market is for active properties. As far as for contingent, meaning they have an accepted offer and they're just waiting to closing. There's 20 of those currently, 24 last week, 27 the week before, 26. So we're down a little bit from that. Pendings, again, meaning we're just waiting to close. There's only 1 in that last week. Weeks prior, 4, 5, and 5. Sold properties, 8 this last week, and the last 3 weeks was all 5 across the board for that. I'm going to show you what's available in each market then. So if we go through and look at the price point per property, what's that leave available for you here? Let's see if I can pull the stats up here. We'll look at the sold properties here. So in the 100 and less category, this week, as of right now, there are only 3 properties. The week before, 4. The week before that, 2, and then 3. 100 to 200, 0, big old goose egg. The week prior, 0. The week before that, 1. And then the week of the first, we had 6. So there's quite a bit more to look at in that 100 to 200 range. 2 to 300, we got 3. We've upped quite a bit from there. Weeks previous, 0, 1, and 0. That 300 to 400, 400 to 500, again, nothing across the board. And we have that 500 plus property there is all we're looking at. So what does that look like? Active, contingent, sold properties on average. Again, we're sticking at that average 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,900 square feet. List price, $212,000. Again, that's up quite a bit from what last week was looking at. List price per square foot, we're looking at an average price, 212, median's only 138. So that 212, again, on average is up quite a bit. So the sold price then, so listing price per square foot, we're at $95. Again, that's been holding pretty steady there in that mid-90 range, up a little bit for our market, but I mean, that's where the market's been. List price, $163. And here's where it really gets interesting, the sales price per square foot, $93 a square foot on average. That's been holding pretty firm, to what the market's been for a month on end. Spring's coming. It's right around the corner. We're really hoping for a spring influx of properties there because we have a lot of people looking to buy, just not a lot of properties to sell them. We are up a little bit. Again, we've got 7 comparative to our 4 and 5, but still not a whole lot to pick from. And you know it if you're looking. So again, sales price, days on market, if you're pricing your home correctly, meaning close to what the market is willing to pay, you're getting very close to list price. We were seeing a lot of them going up and above list price, 100% plus. A lot of these are holding pretty firm. Again, it doesn't seem to matter how long it's been on the market. Obviously, the longer it is on the market, the less you're probably going to receive as far as for list price. So just let us know if you got any questions. We will keep making sense of real estate. Make sure to check out our links here. If you want to set up your own private, your own custom search, keep up to date on market trends, go to 419homesearch.com, sign up for a quick, easy, cheap. It's not even cheap. It's free profile. What else can you ask for?